Hello everyone, this is the third part of the video tutorial how to crochet a cardigan. In this video, I'll show you how to work sleeves and finish up the top. Complete details about the project are available at interunion.com/crochet lace cardigan flower pattern. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. In the second part of the video tutorial, I showed how to crochet front and back parts. Now I'll show you how to work sleeves. For each sleeve, make a foundation chain of 35 chains. Again, I do not count one chain. And then begin working your first row as the first row for the body. Again, begin crocheting the first sleeve row as the first row for the body. After this single crochet one, do not work left and right half flowers, work again single crochet one. Then again chain 2, skip 2 single crochet one, and then finish the row regular way. Begin working the second row, totally the same as the second row for the body, but after the second flower, chain 2, skip 2 and work double crochet 1 above single crochet chain. Then again, chain 2, skip 2, work a flower and so on, just finish the row regular way. Crochet the third row similar to the first one. After the left and right half flowers, work 3 single crochets and 2 chains in between, just like here. Single crochet 1 above double crochet chain. Single crochet 1 into the arch of 3 chains, and then finish the row regular way. Work the row 4 totally the same as the second one. After the second flower, chain 2, double crochet 1 above single crochet chain, and then again chain 2, work a flower and so on. Begin your 5th row as your 3rd row after single crochet 1 chain 2, and now work a decrease like you did for a front part. Work 3 single crochets, two chains, single crochet 1, 2 chains, again single crochet 1 above double crochet 1, and then just repeat 2 chains, single crochet 1, 2 chains, work the decrease, 3 single crochets, and then just finish the row. Begin your row 6 as your 4th row after the flower, chain 2, and then work double crochet decrease. again chain 2, work a flower, again after the double crochet decrease work a flower, then chain 2 double crochet 1 above single crochet chain 2 work 1 more flower, and then again chain 2 double crochet decrease. Chain 2 work a flower and finish the row as usual. Begin crochet in row 7 as your row 5 after single crochet 1 chain 2 and then single crochet 1 chain 2 6 times. Single crochet 1 chain 2, then again single crochet 1 chain 2 and so on. Finish and begin rows the same way. Begin your row 8 as your row 6 after the flower chain 2 and then work double crochet 1 chain 2 flower 3 times. Row 9 after the right half flower work 2 chains and then single crochet 1 and then work chain 1 single crochet 1 6 times. Then finish the row as usual. Begin row 10 as your row 8, but instead of a flower, work left half flower, then skip a chain, double crochet 1, skip a chain and work a right half flower. And then chain 1 double crochet 1, and again chain 1, skip 1 chain, work left half flower, and then again double crochet 1 and right half flower, then finish the row regular way. Row 11 after the right half flower chain 2 single crochet 1 into the arch of 3 chains and then work double crochet 1 above double crochet 1. Then again single crochet 1 into the arch of 3 chains. Chain 1, single crochet 1 above double crochet chain. And again just repeat. Work single crochet 1, double crochet 1, single crochet 1. Row 12 after double crochet 1, single crochet 1, 2 chains, then work 1 flower above double crochet chain between 2 single crochets. After the flower, chain 1, double crochet 1, chain 1, and then again work 1 flower above double crochet chain. Row 13. After single crochet 1, chain 1, then work single crochet 1 above double crochet 1, and again chain 1, single crochet 1 onto the arch of 3 chains, and then finish the row, chain 2, and so on. Row 14. Work a left half flower, then skip 1 chain, double crochet 1, and again skip 1 chain and work 1 right half flower. Then again 2 chains, single crochet 1 into the arch of 3 chains, double crochet 2, and 2 returning chains. Row 15. After the right half flower, work just 1 chain, then work single crochet 1, double crochet 1, single crochet 1, then again 1 chain, a left half flower, and 2 double crochets. At the end of the row 15, work 1 returning chain. Then work single crochet 1 into the arch of 3 chains, chain 1, work 3 single crochets, and again chain 1, single crochet 1, and work 1 half double crochet into the last chain. Now insert the hook into the second chain from your hook and work slip stitch 1, chain 1, skip 1, work double crochet, decrease, chain 1, and work slip stitch 1. Turn, work 3 more slip stitches, then cut the yarn and secure it. Join each sleeve into the body on the wrong side of the garment. After you join sleeves into the body, work single crochet rows. Work 5 single crochet rows for each sleeve, then sew them together. Then work 5 single crochet rows for the bottom edge, and then single crochet around the body also. Work 2 single crochet rows around the body. Single crochet the third row, making one or more buttonholes. For each buttonhole, chain 2, skip 2, then work 2 more single crochet rows. After that, the top is ready, and thank you for watching.